This question is, please identify the chord using Roman numerals 1, 4, or 5. You must also note the Roman numeral. This is 1, this means 4, this means 5. What I mean by those Roman numerals, I'll explain to you. Okay, please identify those chords in the major key signature below. For this question, your first thing has to do is to identify the key signature. From circle of fifth, the key signatures with the one sharp sign is G major. So you write down the G major scale like that on your scratch paper, and you put a 1, 4, 5. Why it's on those notes? 1 means the first scale degree of the scale. Okay, first scale degree, the first note of the scale. 4 means the fourth note in the scale, so we call that fourth scale degree. The fifth note, D, in the key of G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the fifth note in the key of G major, and then we call it fifth scale degree. Before you identify this chord, you find out these 3 chords and draw the triad. This is G. G is on line, so you draw another 2 notes on line above the G. This is C, space note. Then E, another space, G, another space. This is D, F, and A. Now, it's easy for you to identify which chord from the question here. This is G, B, D. Very easy. That's chord 1, the key of G major scale. So you write answer 1 here. This question only asks you for this answer in pink. Rest of them is what you have to understand and deal with, so that way you can identify this chord. It's chord 1 in the key of G major. Next one. Again, when the question asks you like this, using the Roman numeral to identify the chord, first of all, you need to check what's the key signature here. From circle of fifth, 1 flat is F major, 2 flats is B flat major. Then we draw the B flat major scale in bass clef. So B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. When you draw the notes for the scale, remember you don't draw only 5 notes. You draw entire 7 notes, 8 notes, I'm sorry. And you spray the notes evenly. Don't make them squeeze together, okay? It's going to be really hard to read. However, write down 1, 4, 5 at the bottom of the first, fourth, and fifth note. Now we build up the triad like this. Space, space, space. Line, line, line. Okay, this note is E, G, B. Actually, it's B flat here. So that's chord 4. Exactly the same picture. Is that easy? Next one. With 3 sharps, what's the key signature? 1 sharp is G major, 2 sharps D major, 3 sharps is A major from circle of fifth. So after you identify what's key is this, then we put down, see, I wrote it totally wrong. I don't know why I did E major. Let's erase everything. So starting A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. A is the first scale degree. D is the fourth. E is the fifth. You build up the triad here, here, here. Now this is note E, G, actually G sharp, okay? E, G sharp, B, which has G sharp here in the key signature. Then this is A, C, E, no. D, F, A, no. E, G, B, yes. The thing is, how come these two pictures looks differently? Because this E is octave higher, but they got the same name of the chord E, G sharp, B from the key signature, okay? So F sharp, C sharp. You don't worry about the sharp sign for now. But if they ask you to write down a scale, that's the way you do. Put accidental sign in or leave the key signature at the beginning. Okay, so we have the chord E, G, B, same as E, G, B here. So the answer is chord 5. You got it? Last one. In bass clef, we carry 4 sharps. 4 sharps is A flat major. I hope you understand why it's A flat major. You got to be able to draw the circle fifth before you start your answer here. So A flat major begin with A flat, then draw the scale A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. You don't have to worry about those flats to this question, but if the GMTA question asks you to add key signature with the accidental sign as accidental sign, then you have to put them right next to right on before the note head. Okay, now A bit of triad first. This is root of first triad. C, E. This is D, the root of fourth triad. D, F, A. This E flat here is the 5th scale degree of the this is the root of 5th triad chord. And this chord right here is D, F, A. D flat, F, and A flat. That's the chord here for. I hope you understand how to identify this entire thing. I will also upload this question. I will upload the work today on YouTube, and as well as I will send you this paper for your parents to print out for you to understand better. Okay, goodbye.